Garlic. Its pungent aroma is unmistakable, its flavor unforgettable. For millennia, this humble bulb has graced kitchens and healing traditions worldwide. From the pyramids of Egypt to the ancient markets of Greece, garlic's culinary and medicinal value has been recognized and celebrated. Ancient civilizations revered garlic not just for its flavor-enhancing properties, but also for its potent medicinal qualities. Egyptian texts detail its use in treating various ailments, while Greek athletes consumed it for strength and stamina. This long-standing reverence for garlic speaks volumes about its enduring power. Even today, garlic remains a staple in countless cuisines, adding depth and complexity to dishes across the globe. But its story goes beyond the culinary realm. Modern science is now catching up with ancient wisdom, uncovering the remarkable health benefits hidden within this unassuming bulb. Garlic is a treasure trove of beneficial compounds, making it a true powerhouse for health. This humble bulb has been used for centuries in various cultures, not just for its flavor, but for its remarkable medicinal properties. Its sulfur-containing compounds, antioxidants, and other nutrients work synergistically to support overall well-being. These compounds include allicin, which is released when garlic is chopped or crushed, and is known for its potent biological effects. This unique composition gives garlic its impressive range of therapeutic properties. From reducing inflammation to acting as a natural antibiotic, garlic's benefits are vast and varied. One of garlic's most celebrated benefits is its ability to bolster the immune system. This is particularly important during cold and flu season when our bodies need extra support to fend off infections. Studies show that regular garlic consumption can help ward off common colds and even reduce their severity and duration. This means fewer sick days and a quicker recovery time. This immune-boosting effect is attributed to garlic's ability to enhance the activity of white blood cells, the body's first line of defense against infections. These cells are crucial in identifying and destroying harmful pathogens. But garlic's benefits extend far beyond fighting off the sniffles. It is also known to improve cardiovascular health by helping to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Research suggests that it may also play a role in reducing the risk of certain cancers thanks to its potent antioxidant properties. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, which can cause cellular damage and lead to cancer development. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, harmful molecules that can contribute to chronic diseases like cancer. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you can take a proactive step towards better health and longevity. Whether you choose to consume it fresh, in supplements, or as part of your favorite dishes, garlic's healing touch is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your well-being. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide, but the good news is that many cases are preventable. Lifestyle modifications, including diet, play a crucial role in maintaining cardiovascular health, and garlic can be a valuable ally in this endeavor. Garlic has demonstrated remarkable effects on key risk factors for heart disease. Studies have shown that it can help lower blood pressure, reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and improve blood circulation. These benefits are largely attributed to allicin, a sulfur-containing compound released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Incorporating garlic into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your heart health. Whether it's adding fresh cloves to your meals or taking a garlic supplement, harnessing the power of this ancient remedy can contribute to a healthier heart and a longer life. Section 4. Allicin, the engine of garlic's power. Allicin is the star player in garlic's arsenal of health-promoting compounds. This sulfur-containing compound is responsible for garlic's characteristic pungent aroma and many of its therapeutic effects. However, allicin is highly unstable and short-lived, forming only when garlic is crushed or chopped. When garlic is damaged, an enzyme called allinase converts allin, a sulfur-containing amino acid, into allicin. Allicin then breaks down into other beneficial sulfur-containing compounds that contribute to garlic's health-promoting properties. To maximize allicin formation, crush or chop garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking. Heat deactivates allicin, reducing allicin production. Consuming garlic raw or lightly cooked is the best way to reap its full benefits. Section 5. Garlic in action. A real-life health transformation. The science backing garlic's benefits is compelling, but real-life stories truly bring its power to life. These stories provide a tangible connection to the data, making the benefits of garlic more relatable and inspiring. Consider the case of John, a 55-year-old man struggling with high cholesterol and borderline hypertension. His health issues were a growing concern, and he knew he needed to make a change. Despite his doctor's warnings, John was hesitant to start medication, opting instead to explore natural remedies. He wanted to find a solution that felt more natural and less invasive. Inspired by articles about garlic's heart-healthy benefits, John decided to incorporate it into his daily diet. He read numerous success stories and scientific studies that highlighted garlic's potential to improve cardiovascular health. He began adding fresh garlic to his meals, enjoying it in stir-fries, soups, and even roasted with vegetables. John found that garlic not only enhanced the flavor of his dishes, but also provided a sense of satisfaction knowing he was making healthier choices. He also started taking a daily garlic supplement. This ensured he was getting a consistent amount of garlic's beneficial compounds, even on days when he couldn't cook with it. After a few months, John noticed a significant improvement in his health. He felt more energetic, his digestion improved, and he even noticed a positive change in his mood. His cholesterol levels had dropped, his blood pressure had normalized, and he felt more energetic than ever. His doctor was impressed with the results and encouraged him to continue his new regimen. John's experience is a testament to the power of natural remedies like garlic in supporting overall well-being. His journey shows that with dedication and the right choices, significant health improvements are possible without relying solely on medication. Section 6. Beyond the benefits. Garlic's versatility. Garlic's talents extend far beyond the realm of health. This versatile bulb has a rich history of use in various other applications, showcasing its remarkable adaptability. From warding off evil spirits to enhancing the flavor of savory dishes, garlic's uses are as diverse as its beneficial compounds. In ancient folklore, garlic was believed to possess mystical properties, capable of repelling evil spirits and protecting against misfortune. While these beliefs may seem superstitious today, they highlight the deep reverence and fascination that garlic has inspired throughout history. In the culinary world, garlic reigns supreme as a flavor enhancer, adding depth and complexity to countless dishes. From savory sauces and soups to robust meat dishes and vibrant vegetable medleys, garlic's pungent aroma and unique flavor profile elevate culinary creations worldwide. Section 7. Embrace the garlic goodness. Garlic is a true gift from nature, a culinary delight and a potent health ally. This humble bulb has been cherished for centuries across various cultures for its unique flavor and numerous health benefits. Its remarkable benefits, backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science, make it a valuable addition to any diet. From boosting the immune system to reducing blood pressure, garlic's health-promoting properties are truly impressive. Incorporating garlic into your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to enhance your health and well-being. Whether you prefer it raw, cooked, or in supplement form, garlic can easily be integrated into your meals and health regimen. Experiment with different ways to enjoy garlic's unique flavor. Try mincing it finely to release its full aroma, or slice it thinly for a milder taste. You can also crush it to create a paste that blends seamlessly into sauces and marinades. Add it to stir-fries, soups, stews, or roast it whole with vegetables for a flavorful side dish. Garlic pairs wonderfully with a variety of ingredients, enhancing the taste of meats, seafood, and even vegetarian dishes. If you're concerned about garlic breath, try chewing on fresh parsley or mint leaves after consuming it. These herbs can help neutralize the strong odor, allowing you to enjoy garlic without any worries. Embrace the power of garlic and experience its transformative effects firsthand. From improved digestion to better heart health, the benefits of garlic are vast and varied. Share your garlic-infused culinary creations and health journeys with others, spreading the word about this remarkable superfood. Inspire friends and family to incorporate garlic into their diets and experience its benefits. Let garlic's potent properties nourish your body and enhance your life. Embrace the garlic goodness and make it a staple in your kitchen for a healthier, more flavorful lifestyle.